Hello, okay, I'm just doing a little update because I'm going on a trip. And I could take a big bike, but that'd be a bit too easy. So what I need to do is, I had a little accident on this. Yes, I had a little crash. We've got a little bit of damage on there. I'm very upset about this damage here though, on the, very upset with the damage I've got on the, whoopsie daisy. Bit of damage there. And also, it's loose as anything. It's snapped down here. It's broken off. So I put one zip tie on to get me back home. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and shore this up a bit better. And I've got a couple of scuff marks on my top box here and here. But overall, no damage to the rest of the bike. So yeah, I've got to check it over and get it ready for its little road trip. And also the speedo cable's not working. So I'm gonna try and investigate today. See if it's the cable or the maybe the mechanism at the bottom is gone or something. I don't know. Get a drill out and check it. Also my kickstart, I don't know what happened. It came loose, so I went to kick it and it just hit the floor. So I think this bolt came undone. I'm gonna put I had a washer in it, but the washer broke, so I'm gonna put a new washer in, put some Loctite in. Hopefully this time it stays in place. But I think I was going quite quick and the screw probably just backed off a bit, and which made it loose. Also, when I dropped it, I lost some oil out of the overflow, quite a bit. So I'm just gonna let it warm up a minute, check the oil level, top it up, probably a tiny bit. Right, let's check the oil. Should be all right. Oh yeah, that'll do. Right, so now we're gonna try to get this to spin. So let's see if this spins up. Put the drill on the one end. So in theory this should spin up now. And it's not the, well, oh, does that mean it's the actual gear on the front wheel? Oh no, that sucks if it is that, because that's... So if it's not the cable and it's not this, then it's probably... The problem lies maybe in here. In there, there's a tiny little thing, and it should move. And it moves one way, but not the other way. Something. So if yeah, you can just about see it move in reverse, but when I go forward, it's not moving at all. Right, so I've taken the wheel off. I've got to the bottom of it. This is the, I think it's called the worm gear or something, and it's meant to have teeth on, and it's meant to turn as it presses the thing. This thing is made out of plastic, okay, and it is completely worn out. Do I have a spare? Well, I've got 3, 4, that many boxes of cub parts, so there might be a spare in there. But that's the issue, so let's go change it. Oh, found one. Found one indeed. See, I'm not sure what happened to that one. These look about the same, so hopefully they're right. But that one just was very old, I reckon, and just worn out. Right, let's put this all back in. At least I don't have to buy anything. I also need to sort this out. So I broke this at a rally a few weeks ago. I went to kickstart my bike and put my foot in too far and kicked this off. So I'm just gonna get the old glue off and re-glue it all. Oh look, bits of pigeon. My cat's been at it again. There we go. Good old glue gun. Take it out for a little spin. Maybe tomorrow. Fill it up with some petrol. And load it up, I guess, and make it ready for the trip. Oh, it's not a super long trip, but yeah, getting close. It's like 260 miles in a day. I've done it before on a standard cub, and that took me 13 hours, something like that, on a standard C90 with the original 90cc engine. So hopefully this takes me faster.